my family dynamics growing up, it's not that normal rin kasi. Even though nasa under kami ng isang roof, we were in the same household, pero medyo distant kasi ang mga parents ko. And mostly, kasi we weren't allowed to go outside. Hindi kami pinapalabas. So, what happened was that medyo yung naging childhood namin, yung nagiging bonding na lang namin as siblings. Usually kasi sa computer na lang kasi meron kaming computer shop dati. Regarding my parents, hindi ko masyado silang nai-interact nung child ako kasi laging may trabaho. Sobrang neglectful kasi ang nangyayari yung caretaker ko lang is yung sa lola ko. Usually pagka tinuturuan lang ako sa homework pagka uwi niya. So yun lang yung nagiging ano ko sa kanya, interaction ko. So yung dynamic namin talaga is hindi close, medyo distant.